What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're heading out on a mission to find cow brain soup. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Make people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So we're in my neighborhood now, just waiting for the tuk-tuk to come take us to Koh Pich Island. And I found a pho restaurant there called Pho Hong, and they have this steamed cow brain pho soup. Well, here he is, I think. Koh Pich, it's Diamond Island. It's about a 10-minute tuk-tuk. And what's crazy about this area is all the architecture looks European. I thought I'd take a minute and show you some of the surroundings and the buildings here before we go in and get the cow brains. Alright, let's go get that soup. I'm getting hungry. Looks like they're having a sale for 15% off all items. Also, eating brain, I didn't want to just get that in an alley off the street. Like, I thought it'd be nicer to get in a better place. They're actually waving at me from the inside. This is basically what the menu looked like. So it's showing it's a pho broth, and then this is the kind of meat, which is Australia beef for that one. This one is lamb. This one is Khmer beef. That's basically what the menu looked like too, but it's and there's very little English on it, but if you look close, there's English underneath. It's funny, the chef came out and brought the menu out to me, and then after I've ordered, and then he was confirming that am I sure that I want the brain, because that's not something a foreigner usually orders, and have I had it before, and am I sure that that's what I wanted to order? I said, yeah, I want to make a video about it. Look at that, still boiling. Give you herbs and egg, I don't know why, bean sprouts and lime and chilies. has like a really soft texture, like almost like boiled eggs, like the brain, or like very, very tender meat. It's what you'd expect it to feel like. Very soft. And there's onions in here, and I think there's ginger. Looks like. It's very good. So they gave me a little basket of eggs too, so let's crack one of those open and see what that's like. Wow, cool. Thank you. No, that's okay. Yeah. So I asked them to help me. Like, what are these eggs for? They're not boiled eggs, so they're just like normal eggs, and you have to carefully crack open the top and then kind of dump it into your soup. And this stone metal bowl keeps your broth like really simmeringly hot. So it's probably cooking around in there. Now that it's been dumped in, let's dig it out. Let's stir around for it and see and eat it. I guess it's kind of like a poached egg when you dump it in like that. It kind of reminds me of like egg drop soup when you go to a Chinese restaurant. All gone. No more brains. Bye. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. It's also interesting to come and see the really cool buildings in European architecture here in the Koh Pich Island. And super interesting to see cow brain for the first time. I'd recommend it. I don't know if I would go eat that every single day, but it's a good remedy after you're sick. Like how I've just been sick for a few days, so maybe now I'll feel like $1 million for the rest of the day. And that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall. This is my trip out.
It's like just the odd car here and there.